Hello everyone, welcome to Comfy Eating. Today we are going to make a very quick, easy and totally satisfying baked spinach rice. Now this recipe has got lots of veggies, it's got goodness of spinach and a little bit of cheese which makes it so irresistible. Now this is perfect for a family dinner or even a cozy meal just for yourself. For this recipe, first into a pan we will add 1 tablespoon of oil, add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, give it a quick saute until it's nice and fragrant. Next we are going to add some sliced onions and saute them until they are soft. Next we will toss in some sliced carrots, sliced capsicum and continue to saute for a minute or two. Next we'll be adding our main ingredient, that is spinach. I've taken roughly 1.5 cups of spinach which is nicely washed and chopped. So we'll saute them and cook it on medium flame for about 3 minutes. Next, for some sweetness we will add 1 boiled corn and give it a good mix. Next we will season our veggies. We will add half tablespoon of pepper, salt to taste, 1 tablespoon of red chili flakes and a little dried basil leaves for that lovely flavor. Now we will give everything a good mix and let it cook for another minute. In a separate bowl we will crack 3 eggs, add 1/4 cup milk, beat all this well. Now to this we will add some 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half tablespoon of red chili flakes and salt to taste. Mix everything well and now we will pour this egg mixture into our sauteed veggies and spinach. Now we'll stir this well so that everything is evenly coated. And at this stage we'll also add some grated cheese to give that creamy rich texture. Next we will add 1.5 cups of cooked rice to this mixture and gently fold everything together until the rice is nicely coated with the spinach egg mixture. Now here comes the final step. We are going to transfer this mixture to a greased baking tray or an oven safe dish. Now we'll spread it out evenly and then we'll top it with a generous layer of grated cheese. Now this cheese will create a beautiful golden crust as it bakes. We are going to bake this at 180 degrees Celsius for about 30 to 40 minutes. Once done, you can see a nice golden cheesy crust on top. That looks so delicious. You can see here how nicely the rice is set. This is a very simple and nutritious recipe and kids are sure to enjoy because of the cheese. Make sure to give this recipe a try and let me know how it turned out for you. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more interesting and tasty recipes. Thank you for watching.